Modern cameras capture millions of hours of footage every single day. Security systems, trail cameras, drones, deep-sea exploration devices. Most recordings show ordinary things. But sometimes, the camera captures something nobody can explain. Strange figures, unknown movements. Creatures that appear for only seconds, before disappearing completely. And some of those recordings are deeply unsettling. Here are 10 mysterious creatures caught on camera. Deep inside a remote forest, a trail camera captured something unusual moving between the trees. At first it looked like a shadow, tall, thin, humanoid, but unlike a normal person, its movement felt unnatural. The figure crossed silently through the forest before vanishing behind the trees. When investigators returned to the area, they found nothing. No footprints, no evidence. Only the footage remained. Far below the surface of the ocean, underwater drones recorded something massive moving through complete darkness. The shape was enormous, larger than the drone itself. It moved slowly through the water before disappearing into the deep. Scientists could not clearly identify what it was. Some believe it may have been an undiscovered species. Others think the ocean still hides creatures humanity has never seen before, in the middle of a desert at night. Thermal cameras captured a fast-moving silhouette crossing the sand. The figure moved at impossible speed, too fast for a human, too controlled for an animal. Within seconds, it vanished into darkness. No tracks were found the next morning. Only empty desert remained. A group filming wildlife near a swamp noticed strange glowing lights moving above the water. First they believed it was insects, but then a glowing figure briefly appeared near the trees, tall, humanoid, emitting a faint blue light. The footage lasted only moments before the shape disappeared. To this day, nobody knows what created the glow. Inside an abandoned building scheduled for demolition, security cameras captured movement late at night, doors slowly opening, shadows crossing empty hallways. Then suddenly, a dark figure appeared at the end of a corridor. The building had no power, no residents, and according to investigators, there was no known point of entry. High in the mountains, trail cameras monitoring wildlife recorded a strange shape inside thick fog. The figure appeared almost human, but its proportions seemed wrong. Long arms, unnatural movement. It stood silently within the mist before fading into the fog itself. Some hikers later claimed they heard footsteps nearby, even though nobody was visible. In the Arctic, research cameras monitoring snowstorms captured a massive shadow moving behind heavy ice conditions. Now, the creature was barely visible through the storm, but it appeared enormous, larger than any known polar animal. The recording ended suddenly after static interference covered the screen. Researchers never released an official explanation. Underground tunnel systems have also produced disturbing footage. Cameras installed in maintenance tunnels captured unexplained movement deep underground. At first, the tunnels appeared empty, then something moved rapidly across the camera frame, too fast to identify. Workers later reported strange sounds echoing through the tunnels at night. Some refused to return underground after seeing the recordings. Near a riverbank at night, motion-activated camera recorded a dark figure standing near the water. The shape appeared almost motionless. Then suddenly, it rushed into the river at incredible speed and vanished beneath the surface. Search teams found nothing in the water afterward. No animal, no person, no explanation. And finally, one of the strangest recordings ever captured. Aerial footage showing an object moving across the sky unlike any aircraft. The shape appeared organic, almost alive. It changed direction suddenly without slowing down. No wings, no visible engine, no sound. Some viewers believed it was an unknown aerial creature rather than a machine. Others called it impossible. But the footage still exists online, continuing to confuse anyone who watches it. Many of these recordings remain unexplained. No confirmed identification, no official answers, just footage and questions. And maybe the most disturbing part is this. If cameras captured these creatures by accident, how many others were never recorded at all? Because sometimes, the camera sees what humans never can.